Since the middle of the 19th century, people have had tattoos. Tattoos were initially applied for medical, spiritual, and cultural reasons. 170 years later, tattoos are more common than ever. People from all around the world are deciding to tattoo their body as a means to show their individual creativity. But as more and more people opt to tattoo their bodies, we have to wonder if this is safe. It is a major question that comes to everyone's mind today. If you also think the same way, or you feel that whether it is safe or not, then keep watching this video till the end, as in this video, we'll be discussing the pros and cons of tattooing your body. Hello and welcome to another video of Ingenious Ayurveda. And in today's video, we'll discuss whether tattoos are safe or not. Some studies have shown that tattoos can potentially lead to a number of risks, including skin infection, allergic reactions, and scarring. Such risk may increase if you don't see a licensed tattoo artist or if the wound itself heals improperly. Aside from these risks, do you have to worry that do tattoos cause skin cancer? This has been a question that researchers have been exploring for years now. While there is no direct connection between tattoos and skin cancer, there are some ingredients in tattoo ink that may be linked to cancer. When it comes to cancer, black ink can be especially dangerous because it contains a very high level of benzopyrene. Benzopyrene is currently listed as a carcinogen by the International Agency for Researchers on Cancer. Health officials and researchers are especially concerned about the effects of black tattoo ink, as it is the most commonly used color for tattooing. Health officials and experts have also expressed grave worry over blackout tattoos, given that it calls for extensive body coverage in thick, heavy, solid black ink. This popular new fad might be very risky. People worry about the way these tattoos cover their bodies in addition to the potential toxins in the ink. One of the earliest indicators of skin cancer, particularly melanoma, is a change in skin color. People might not immediately notice these changes if their bodies are blacked out by tattoo ink. Because of this, tattoos shouldn't be applied over pre existing moles, birthmarks, or other anomalies or skin discolorations. What happens to a tattoo after you have had it for a long is another thing to be worried about. Tattoos typically lose their pigment and fade over time. This is particularly true for blackout tattoos, which degrade significantly more quickly. Numerous cancer causing chemicals can be produced as a tattoo starts to fade and lose its pigment. Some other health issues related to tattoos are allergic reactions, skin infections, hepatitis, etc. So let's learn about these health issues. First thing is allergic reactions. If your skin is sensitive to certain perfumes, makeup products, or lotions, then you might want to think twice before getting a tattoo. It is fairly common for individuals to have an allergic reactions to the dyes used in tattoos. Sometimes individuals are under the inaccurate assumption that tattoos contains harmless paint or ink. But if you see any of the following symptoms, then you can see or you can come to know that you have an allergy to tattoos or tattoo ink. These symptoms are redness, swelling, rash or hives, blistering, or itchiness. If you find any of these symptoms after tattooing or using the black ink, you rather stay away from tattooing. Next up is skin infections. Skin infections may develop as a result of contamination from unsterile needles or other items from tattooing. These infections can also occur if you don't properly take care of your fresh tattoo wound. Symptoms of a skin infection may include swelling, redness, itchiness, discharge, pain, open sores, fevers, or chills. Thereafter comes hepatitis. Hepatitis is a major concern when it comes to getting a tattoo. Hepatitis is transmitted almost exclusively from individuals who share needles with one another. This is why it is absolutely crucial to investigate your tattoo parlor before allowing them to ink you. Make sure that the tattoo artist and co-workers are wearing gloves and using new, clean needles before they tattoo every customer. Thereafter comes MRI complications. If you have a medical condition that requires you to get MRIs on a regular basis, then you may want to hold off on getting a tattoo. While it is rare, there have been instances where tattooed individuals have experienced complications from the MRI procedure. Sometimes, the magnets can cause reactions around the tattooed area, including redness, swelling, and in some cases, even first or second degree burns. Now, this question arises that what's the best way to avoid health risk when getting a tattoo? Well, finding a licensed, reputable provider is your first step to ensuring the best tattoo experience possible. Before going under the needle, find a few prospective tattoo artists and ask them about their licensing and experience, sanitation practices, process for handling and disposing materials, policy of wearing gloves, and what type of ink they use for tattooing. You should also check about their portfolio of work. So, guys, these are some of the important points that you have to take care of or you have to keep in mind before tattooing your body. If you find this video helpful, please like the video and don't forget to share and subscribe. Till then, take care, stay healthy, and stay fit.